In this video, we will talk about the metrics for CRM. The copyright of this video belongs to Carmen Sum. Please do not distribute, disseminate, or upload to any other platforms. Basically, we could have two types of metrics for CRM, psychological or behavioral. Examples of psychological metrics include perceived quality, perceived value, satisfaction, loyalty intention, and attitudinal loyalty. They are the feeling or mental state, rather than actual behaviors taken.
So, how about behavioral metrics?
Behavioral metrics focus on the actual behaviors being taken by the consumers or customers. Let's explain them one by one. The first one is acquisition rate. The formula is prospects acquired over prospects targeted times 100%. The second one is size of wallet. It refers to the total amount of a buyer's spending in a product category, which is measured in monetary terms. We can simply ask the buyers for the total budget reserved for a product category monthly or yearly. Another one is share of wallet. It is critical for marketers to know the percentage of the total expenditures in a product category that an individual brand satisfies a customer's needs. There are two ways to measure the share of wallet. The first rule is to calculate the proportion of spending in a specific brand of a product category over the total spending in a product category times 100%. Another rule for calculating the share of wallet is based on the ranking of brands of customers to predict the share percent. The formula is as follows. Next, marketers usually want to know the average retention rate, which means how many customers remained in the relationship in a given period, given that they have purchased in the period before. We could also calculate the defection rate, which is the likelihood that customers defect from a focal firm in a period, given that they were active in the previous period. Once we have retention rate or defection rate, we could calculate the average lifetime duration. It refers to how long the customers remain customers in a focal firm. Once we have the retention or defection rate, we can calculate the survival rate. It refers to the proportion of customers who have survived or remained as the customers of a focal firm until a period from the beginning of the acquisition. The last metric is the number of survivors. It could be the exact number from the database or through the calculation of retention rate, defection rate, or survival rate. It depends on the data we have on hand. We finish introducing the metrics for CRM. Different metrics could be used to measure the effectiveness of CRM strategies. Thanks a lot for watching.